This week's fragrance is Pas Ce Soir from BDK. This is such a great fragrance. This is something that I'm pretty sure is universally going to be liked. This is a great gift for somebody. It's a great blind buy. It is this juicy, sweet, creamy, slightly spicy white flower explosion. Part of me kind of feels like it reminds me of Deja Vu White Flower from Kylie, but the notes are completely different. There are a little bit more like spice elements in here. There's this beautiful patchouli in the dry down that gives it this sweet, earthy, herbally note. Amber, which gives this a little more depth. Overall, there's a little bit more complexity in here notes-wise, but the dry down for me personally between this and the Kylie are kind of similar. You have this amazing, super juicy mandarin in the opening with a little ginger, a little pepper. There's that kick and spice. And then you have a little bit of a sour fruit in there also, which I believe is the quince note. And you have this amazing, delicious white flower. There is jasmine, orange blossom. It's weird to say that a flower is delicious, but it is that soft, plush white flower. It's not your classic, floral bouquet. And then in the dry down, you have this super musky, creamy kind of undertone to it. And the amber and the patchouli add so much depth. Elegant, sophisticated. It can be mixed in with so many other fragrances. This layers really well with woody notes, with really heavy amber notes as well, because it is a slightly lighter version of all of those notes. It is easy to wear day or night, even if it's hot outside. It's not cloying or overbearing. This is something that I personally wear like day to day, or if I'm going to the grocery store. I'm not doing a lot of other things right now in the age of COVID. It definitely leans more feminine in my opinion, but wear what you want. I'm a firm believer of that. I wear men's cologne all the time. Someone try to stop me. There's just nothing that can go wrong with this scent. Is it my absolute favorite scent in my collection? No. But do I love it and will I finish this? Absolutely. It's a beautiful scent and I would recommend checking out all the BDK fragrances, but this one is probably my second favorite from the entire line. If you have a favorite BDK fragrance, I would love to know what it is in the comments down below. I have 4 of their collection right now and I love all of them, but I'm just curious to see what you guys think about BDK. So let me know in the comments. But until my next video, thank you as always so much for tuning in and I'll catch you soon. Bye.